Yeah, hello fans, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Keys Music. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. So Winner Wonder commented on one of my videos saying, not really fair, I've been commenting. You should show us how to play Do to T in full chord on the key of F sharp, but you don't want to. How will we play when some of us don't know the code? Please do the lesson. I know it, but I want to know more because you played your code. I know it's saying chord in different ways, which I love because it sounds sweet in the ear. Okay, I've been trying my best to teach you guys a lot on my videos. So many people do comments, and I just saw his comment today. It's not that I've not been seeing it, but I've been trying to attend to other comments. So today, I want to attend to his comment today. That's why I always said you should try and be commenting. One day, I'm going to see your own comments and I'll try to do a video of what you want. So today, I'll be teaching how you can play the chord on Do to T in different ways. Okay? So just watch and learn. So the key I'm on is on F sharp. Okay, I'm on F sharp. I'm on F sharp now. So just what you need to know is that this is Do on F sharp. So the full chord of Do is Do mi sa, Do mi sa, Do mi sa. Okay, Do mi sa. You can also play it this way. So Do mi. Okay. So if I want to, and you can play it this way also, mi, so, do. So if I want to play my Do, I do play my Do most times like this. Mi, so, do. Then you just hold here and here. Okay? So this is my Do, this is my Do, this is my Do, this is my Do. Okay? So I can whether use so, do, mi, so, or mi, so, do. Okay? So this is on Do now. So if I'm playing Do, I play my Do this way. Understand? So now on Re, if you want to play your Re, it's Re, Fa, La. Then on your left, you just hold your Re, yeah. Re, Fa, La. Okay? Okay? Re, Fa, La. Hope you can understand. Re, Fa, La. If you want to play your Mi, so, Ti, you can hold your Mi on your left this way. All this way. Okay? Your Fa. Fa, La, Do. Fa, La, Do. Or you can use Do, Fa, La. Fa, La, Do, Fa, La, Do. Okay? Fa, La, Do, Fa, La, Do. Or Do, Fa, La. So if you want to play your So, it's So, Ti, Re. So, Ti, Re. You can use Re, So, Ti. Or Ti, Re, So. Okay? Re, So, Ti. On your left, you can just use your So here. So, Do, Fa, So. Hope you can see it. So on my La is La, Do, Mi. You can use Mi, La, Do. Then on your left, just strike on your La here. La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La, Do. Okay? Mi, La, Do. Then on your Ti, Ti, Re, Fa, Ti, Re, Fa. Okay? Ti, Re, Fa, Do, Ti, La, Ti, Re, Fa. Then Do, Mi, So, Ti, Re, Fa, Do, Mi, So. Okay? So that is just very simple. This one is your Fa. This one is your So. This one is your Mi. Z, La, Mi, Re, Mi, So, Fa. So those are just some minor notes I'm going to teach you now. So if you're playing something like Do, Ti, Do, Re, Sa, Fa, Mi, Z. If you want to play your Z, you can use your Mi, Z, La, Mi, Z, Do, Mi, Z, Do. Then on your left, you your Z. Z, La, Mi, Re, Mi. If you want to play your Fi, you can use Re, Fi, La, Re, Fi, La, Re. Then on your Re, Fi, La, Fi, La, Do. It's just very simple. Mi, Re, Di, Re, Mi, So, Fa. Mi, Re, Di, Mi, Re, Di, Re, Mi, So, Fa. Okay? This is Fa, So, Do, Fa, So, Do, Fa, So, Do, okay? Hope you're getting what I'm doing. It's just very simple. So, depend on the position you have. If you're here, you can just use your Mi, So, Do and play your Do. If you're here, you can use your So. See? You can even play your Do this way. So, Do, Re, Mi, So. So, Do, Re, Mi, So. So, Do, Re, Mi, So. Still sounding Do. I can even play my Fa this way. You can see what I'm doing. Fa, La, Do, Re, Fa. Fa, La, Do, Re, Fa. You can see. It's sounding Re and Fa. I'm using Re here. You can see. Ọlọ́run tó dá wa òkè bá mi. You can see. You can see I'm using that chord. So it's just very simple, okay? Just try and you can also apply it on F. It sounds the same way. Just try and get the notes I'm using. You know, I've been calling out the notes, so just call out the notes and you can play it on any key. Even on F, it's still the same thing. Still the same thing on F. So it's the same thing, okay? You can see, this is 7 Do. I'm playing my Do region. So I hope you have learned something today. Please comment any video you want me to do. Just comment on the comment section. I will try and do it. And please make sure you subscribe, like, and also share to your friends so that they can join this channel. God bless you and bless you more.